Hi, I'm Tiaan Schultz. I'm the Group Food Beverage Manager for Peermont. As you can see, I'm on lockdown just like you. It doesn't mean we can't have some fun. Today I'm going to show you two basic recipes using the Peermont gin. This gin was distilled for us by a ginologist. It has the botanicals of hibiscus flower and grapefruit as additional botanicals. So first off, a basic port gin. I'm going to start off with putting some ice in the glass. Let's pour a double shot of our pink gin. I'm just measuring with the eye, but pretty accurate. And then you can use your favorite tonic. I'm just going to use Schweppes regular tonic. As you can see, the pink turns a nice light color there. And then for garnish, I'm going to use pink ruby grapefruit, which is also one of the natural botanicals in the gin. And then to finish it off, just a squeeze of grapefruit skin, and also just rim the glass. There's your first regular port gin. Very tasty, very refreshing on summer's day. Then secondly, a little bit different, something that you can use gin for, where we normally use a light rum. I'm going to do a strawberry and mint daiquiri using the gin. So first of all, let's start again putting some ice, measuring the ice to be used for the right glass size, just so we don't make too much. Let me just add some more ice. Let's see. Let me just get rid of that. Okay, now we've measured the ice. Going to go into the blender. I'm just going to use the NutriBullet. I'm going to make use of Monin strawberry syrup. So there you can put just one tot. I'm going to fill it with some fresh mint. Add some fresh mint. Just adds a nice fresh aromatic to it. And then I'm going to use this new appetizer. It's 50% apple, 50% strawberry, and half the sugar, filled with soda water actually. It's much lighter, just to add a bit of zing to it and freshness. And then last but not least, double shot of gin. Let's put this all in the blender. Just make sure I close it properly. Here we go. So use the spoon. Let's fold this. As you can see, one exact glass as we measured the ice. Just want to garnish it with some fresh mint. And there we go. Cheers everyone, stay safe and hope to see you soon at your favorite Peermont property.